so I'm not sure if you remember, last year I did snowman. Well, guess what? This year I am doing reindeer, and I am going to show y'all how I put together my reindeer. I hope y'all enjoy it. The one on the left without the glasses, that is for Lenix, that's baby, or twin B rather, and the one on the right is for my oldest, LeBron, and he wears glasses. And I said, LeBron, do you want glasses on your reindeer? And he's like, oh my God, that's so cool, yes. So since he wanted to have glasses, I had to kind of rearrange. So I did have a little mistake on the side of the glasses, which you can't hardly see on camera, which is good. However, yeah, so he went along with the glasses, and I thought it was so cute that he wanted to incorporate his glasses. You know, I do like to encourage him and let him know that he's handsome with or without glasses. So I thought it was cute that he wanted to incorporate. These are little these are little fake plastic glasses that I just picked up at Dollar Tree in the kid aisle. And so yeah, so I'm not gonna I'm not gonna ramble. I can't talk today. I'm not gonna ramble too much. So I'll go ahead and start making this right before your eyes. So let's talk about what all you would need. So I got my packaging wrap from Walmart. Normally I get it from Dollar Tree, but they were out, so I did get it from Walmart. I think it was about maybe $3 for a very large roll. I had 9 packages to wrap, so it did wrap all packages. I got the googly eyes from Walmart. They are the largest size. I got the little noses. They sparkle. I'll show you close up later. I got those for I think about $2 or $3 as well. It's a bag of many different colors, but I needed the blue. The scarves I actually had last year from my snowman, and I got those out of the fabric department from Walmart as well. They have little small packages that you can get, and I think they cost maybe $1 or $2. The white part of the belly, I actually used construction paper that I had on hand, and all of the boxes either came from like Amazon or whatever I had shipped here for, you know, Christmas, whatever they shipped it in. I just reused the packaging or the boxes, and some boxes are actually like shoe boxes. So yeah, the elf ears I actually got from, I believe it was Ross. Was it Ross? No, it was Burlington. I got the elf ears from Burlington. I think they were about $5.99 or $6, one of the two. And you would need tape, and you would need scissors, you would need a glue stick, and a marker for the mouth if you choose to draw on the mouth. Let's see, and I believe that is all you would need, unless you have other accessories you want to add. So again, let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to be showing y'all how I create this particular reindeer. there you have it. I made this literally in less than, let's see, 8 minutes. So less than 10 minutes. It was 8 minutes in all. 8 minutes. I had everything already pre-cut out. I already had my boxes wrapped. So as you can see, the wrapping doesn't take that long either. So let's say once you wrap a gift, it may take maybe not even 5 minutes to wrap a gift. Okay. To cut out your little patterns of what you're going to use, your material, you can use one piece of material and cut it diagonal for 2 packages. So that's an easy cut in half or diagonal into a triangle. These right here I just cut as well, and that was easy. I mean, I just cut the bottom of one paper to be rounded. I cut the other to be more like a little, what is that called, trapezoid? And as you can see, I just glued on the eyes, I glued on the nose, I drew them out, I glued on the ears, I glued my packages together, and I feel like everything, if I did everything from scratch, wrapping the gifts, gluing together, gluing all everything that you saw, literally would take me about 15 minutes, maybe 10 to 15 minutes for one package, for one whole reindeer that I did right before your eyes, okay? So again, I hope you enjoyed this very quick video. I'm going to show you my reindeer in front of my Christmas tree, and so you can see how they look. I hope y'all enjoyed the very short video on how I make my reindeer. Again, if you have not checked out my snowman, go back and look at it. I will try my best to put a link in for that, so y'all can go back and see that in case that's what you want to do this year. So every year I try to be really creative for my kids. They're only kids for so long, and so I really just want to you know, just do something unique, something that they'll always remember. So let me go ahead and put these in front of the Christmas tree, so that way when the twins wake up, they'll be able to see them. All right, guys, talk to y'all later.